So what do I say when they've agreed to list it with me, but they want to wait 3 or 4 months to put it on the market? I mean, that's a very common thing, because I mean, we're asking people to do something that's like a life-changing thing. You know, a lot of people when they're selling a home, they've raised their families there, they've got memories, and getting people to make a really quick decision is always tough. However, if they'd actually made the commitment to me, I would start putting things in place, saying, okay, great, well, we'll look at putting the home on the market in 2 to 3 months. Maybe what we could do is go through some things that we need to sort of get repaired and do now. And the other thing potentially we could do as well is that if we do happen to bump into the right buyer, then we are going to need some sort of agreement for me to be able to show it. So would you mind, maybe potentially doing a listing agreement? We could do it as a pocket listing for a few months until you're ready to move forward, just in case I find somebody. But there's also the underlying one at the bottom is that you actually might have to wait 2 or 3 months before it goes on the market. One bit of advice I'll give you is get your communication dialed in, because I would sit there and I'd look them in the eye and say, that's great, I know you're not going to sell in 2 to 3 months, but I'm going to start talking to you like you're actually on the market now. I'm going to start building that relationship with them. And ironically, if you've got someone that's committed to listing with you and they're not selling for 2 to 3 months, who do you think they're talking to? All their friends, all their family are all talking about when they're going to go on the market, and you want to make damn sure you're part of that conversation. And I think that's where a lot of realtors struggle, and the reason they get frustrated is because they're not going to get their instant gratification or their paycheck now.